Hey, Rudy here. So this video is all about lithium. Why are we investing in lithium? For batteries. The big thing in China is now sticking batteries with solar panels, so the electricity doesn't run off into the atmosphere. And these big EV trucks they're building need big batteries. All these robots need batteries. And one of the good things is there's a lot of negativity around. So that's good. You want negativity. You don't want everyone bullish. But anyway, we look to the charts for guidance. So lithium price, I don't know, you can't expect much more than that. So it's coming up to the round number here, but as far as I can see, that's up. I can't see any downtrend. So my preferred exposure is this LITP ETF. You can only get it in America, but it's not that hard, people. There's no more currency risk than investing in a Australian-based ETF that invests in American stocks. It's the same. Anyway, that looks good. There's a buy down here. Okay, now I actually went through this ETF. There's 30 holdings, and there's a whole bunch which I haven't shown before of Australian lithium explorers, which I've now included in the video. But it's now Pilbara is the top holding, which is good to get those shorts. So it means anyone who's like throwing money into lithium in America is going into this ETF is going to find its way through to Pilbara. It's pretty good news for Pilbara. Bet the shorts don't like that. Alright, so on to Pilbara. Geez, hey, you people that listen to me down here, hey? I want my profit share, please. Alright, no, that's good. You can't ask for much more than that. Next holding in the ETF is Ganfeng. So world's third largest and China's largest lithium producer. So that looks, come back, fill the gap, go. So that looks okay. Albemarle, world's largest lithium producer, so that hasn't woken up yet, so not much downside. Liontown, so that's one of ours. So that's it's not Pilbara, has always been my choice, because these guys got a higher cost of production. But anyway, chart looks wonderful. SQM, so they're the world's largest lithium refiner and second largest producer after Albemarle. So they had a bit of a gap up, a bit of a pullback, wouldn't be bad for next leg up. Patriot Battery Metals, they're listed on the Toronto Stock Exchange. IGO, that's one of ours. So they've got a bit of nickel and a refinery in there. That looks fine. Tiang Lithium. So as we go down the list, the weightings get smaller in the ETF. So the world's largest producer of mined lithium by output. So they're coming back down for a bit of a test. It's fine. It's not bearish. Vulcan's in there. My man who gave me this said I didn't really like it. They're trying to go green, produce a green lithium. Anyway, the chart looks pretty good. It looks like it wants to go. Leo Lithium. So this is an ASX one. I don't know what happened there. But in an ETF, it's actually it's a good way to get exposure to an Basically, we're all now into ASX listed lithium plays. And when you try and invest in these things, you basically just want to have a bit in all, and one of them will make you all the money. So Lake Resources, it's not doing anything. Delta Lithium, this has got a bit of a spark in it. They got a project rapidly progressing its flagship Mount Outer lithium project toward production. So there's a bit of get up and go in that one, bit of excitement. Galen Lithium, phase 1 construction underway. Now obviously as the lithium price goes up, all these old sites that shut down or just wasn't worth it, they're going to start opening up. Will that increase supply? Yeah, probably in about 5 years by the time they get their act together. Anyway, Ioneer, it's another one on the ASX. So a bit of a wake up and snooze. Core Lithium, it's another ASX listed one that's in the ETF. So it's starting to wake up. And Sayona Mining, it's another one in the ETF. So I'll have to put a little description on what they all are. But I just anyway, that looks like it's going too. All right, and then my man he keeps Syra. It's a graphite play, largest in the world, but it's not in the ETF. It was just a place I could put it. Doesn't look very exciting. All right, so lithium. The ETF is. I just gotta love that price action, and people being the top holding. Just hold on, boys and girls. Ones that bought down here. What'd you get? $1.70. Geez, you'll be doubling your price. The rooster wants he wants his share. All right, thanks for that. Let us know your thoughts.